What's up, people? How are you guys doing? And welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you guys are seeing me, my name is Victor Oguntan. But if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for sticking by. So in today's video, you guys are going to see that I am unkept and everything is just like that. It's to show you that we mean business today. So in this video, I'm just going to show you guys how I use the threading method to stretch my hair to avoid heat. You don't want to break your hair, you don't want to damage your hair, you don't want to ruin the health of your hair. So if it is something that you're really interested in watching, then just watch till the end of this video. What we are going to be doing first is that we have to moisturize our hair before putting it into our thread. So I'm going to be using this product from Aphrodisiac by Mash. We have here the hydrating hairspray, and I'm just going to use it to hydrate my hair first. Second, I have the therapy leave-in conditioner. I'm just going to use it to moisturize my hair. I'll use their Avoman butter as a cream to seal in the moisture of my hair. Then I'll go ahead with their Chinese herb amla, tea tree, and Chinese herb to lock in that moisture that I have already applied on my hair. So first, you guys are going to see that I have already middle part my hair with a rat tail comb, and I'll quickly part my hair. I actually pre-part my hair because you guys know that if you make your hair by yourself, you definitely know that it is no joke, right? So I'll start first by separating my hair into 4 sections. Before we continue, I would love you to subscribe to my channel. So I will apply the product in my hair. I distribute it evenly into my hair strands. I make sure I finger rectangle as well as distributing. You see that I am kind of like stretching it and applying it on my ends as well. I want to make sure the product is very well distributed. I'll go ahead with a little bit of more butter and apply it in my hair very well. Then I go ahead and detangle my hair and make sure my hair is very well detangled, because you don't want any knots in your hair strands, and especially detangling is very important. So I just use a white tooth comb to detangle my hair. Then I use the thread and I just separate the thread, and that's it. So guys, yes, I'm going to be using the rubber thread because this tends to help with retaining the moisture into your hair. It doesn't dry your hair strands easily, and I'm going to keep this for 2 days. So I'll be using this thread to thread my hair. So you will notice that I am parting my hair in sections because I want all the moisture I want my hair to absorb as much moisture as possible, if that is making sense. So guys, I will part a little bit of section, the one I want to work with, and I detangle it. I detangle very slowly because I don't want breakage. So I'll just take 2 rubbers, and that's how I do it. I twist the hair a little bit, then I go on with the rubber and I start rolling it through the hair till the tip of the hair. So let me just fast forward it and show you guys how I am doing it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly click that subscribe button that is just down below, and also the notification bell that is beside it, so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you. This part is very important. You pull your hair a little bit if you want a very stretched result. So that is what I just did, and that's the final result. So So guys, we're at the end of this video. This is the final result of my hair. I'm definitely going to be posting pictures on Instagram, so kindly check my Instagram. It's at veenaturals. Kindly check my Instagram to like this picture. If you haven't subscribed yet, guy, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below if you want me to create more of this type of natural hairstyles. I will be seeing you in my next one. Bye.